kinds of clocks. Very simple, as you see on the front. It's just one hand telling you hours, no minutes. These clocks were made by the farmers in the winter. It's very, very cold here outside. You could have the snow all the way to your waist. So in the winter, most of the time you're inside the farmhouse. You only have two things to do inside the farmhouse in the winter. You could either make clocks or you could make babies. But not at the same time, okay? And then in the spring, you take your clocks to the markets, the towns, you sell them off, and now you have some extra money for your family. So this is why the tradition began of farmers making very simple clocks out of wood. So that was, did we say 350 years ago? Then about 300 years ago we started seeing the first clockmakers. They started making the clocks now out of metal, and you put that inside a very simple wooden box. You still need something on the front, so again very simple, just a plain piece of wood, and they painted all kinds of different designs, different colors. So just like those, we go shopping today for different things. We also like to see different choices. And then about 250 years ago, a clockmaker here takes one of the painted clocks. Then for the first time, they add our new friend and the star of the show.